All right. So Marvin's flower bed is rectangular and is a rectangular shape with a length 10 feet and a width of 5 feet. He wants to increase the length and the width by the same amount to obtain a flower bed with an area of 75 feet. What should the amount of increase be? All right. So we have a flower bed that is a rectangle, length 10 feet, and width of 5 feet, right? And then we want to increase the length and the width by the same amount, right? So we're going to increase the length by x feet and increase the width by x feet as well. And actually, let me see. I guess we don't, hold on a second. We don't necessarily need to do it. All right, that should do it. Okay, so we increase the length and the width by the same amount. So, and the new area is 75 square feet. So in other words, 10 plus x, the length, times 5 plus x, the new width, equals 75. Okay. Let me just change this. I don't know why I have fifth there. It should be 5 feet. All right, so can distribute. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times x, 10x. 5 times x is 5x. X times x is x squared. So then we combine like terms. And I'm also going to subtract 75 from both sides. So I get negative 25 plus 15x plus x squared equals 0. I can rearrange that. X squared plus 15x minus 25 equals 0. So if I was going to factor, I would multiply negative 20, or I would find numbers I can multiply to get 120, or multiply that I can get 25, that I can subtract to get 15, right? So 5 and 5, that doesn't work. And yeah, 25 and 1, those are the only other factor pairs that go in. So it doesn't seem to be factorable, so now we can use the quadratic formula. So x equals negative 15 plus or minus the square root of 15 squared minus 4 times a times c. All right, so this is 15 squared 225. Actually, forgot to do the denominator. All right, so 15 squared 225. This is positive 100, so it comes out to 325. All right. And so 325 so that comes out to, let's see, negative 15 plus or minus 5 root 13. 325 is 25 times 13. All right, and so yeah, so basically we have two possibilities: negative 15 plus 5 root 13, over 2. And that comes out to a positive, even though we can't simplify that. Whereas negative 15 minus 5 root 13 over 2 is not does not come out to a positive. So if it says what should the amount of increase be, this is our answer, right? This many square feet, or this many feet, excuse me. Okay. And if we needed to, if it said round to the nearest foot, or round to the nearest tenth of a foot, or whatever, we could plug that in our calculator. But it's not asking that. Another thing it might ask us is what's the new length and what's the new width, or what are the new dimensions, and then we could take that and add 10 for the length and add 5 for the width.